A few years ago, I was introduced to this little guy. This is the Palm phone. And if it's not clear right here, this little phone will fit right in the palm of my hand. The company is notorious for this tiny phone, to be honest with you. But this phone is not what we're talking about today. Today we're going to be talking about the newest release from Palm, the Palm Buds Pro. Palm sent me over these new earbuds that they just came out with, and today we're going to open the box, check them out, give them a test, and I'm going to give you guys my first impressions to what I think about these tiny companions to whatever device you carry. Now, I've heard some great reviews about these so far, and I'm super excited to open them, so let's just jump into it. So these true wireless earbuds run on Bluetooth 5.0, but the most important thing, I think, is the 400 milliamp hour battery capacity. On the side of the box, you see some of the specs that these earbuds have are immersive audio, active noise cancellation, ambient mode, 6 microphones for call quality, smart touch controls, and up to 24 hours of playtime, as well as access to voice assistant. So let's just open these guys up and see what's inside. I've always been satisfied with Palm's packaging, and this is no different. There's definitely thought that's put into this. The first thing we're going to pull out is the Palm Quick Start Guide for these buds. Lots of information on here, definitely worth a read. You'll definitely need it to know the touch controls. The second thing we're going to pull out is the USB-C charging cable. Short but efficient, and then our earbuds. Well, ear tips. I'm assuming there's going to be a small and large in here. Then we have our earbuds. The case that houses these guys is subtly branded and super cool. I really like the black matte finish. Inside we have our 2 buds, USB-C charge on the bottom, and when we open it, the light starts to blink. So, fancy. Let's take a look at one of these guys. They have this like egg shape, which is kind of cool. I'm excited to use them, put them in, and see what's up. They magnetically charge from the bottom, just like other earbuds, but they are sleek. Excited to see how they feel in my ears. With that being said, let's get into it and connect these guys to my phone. One of the first things I always try to do is set up Bluetooth headphones without looking at the Quick Start Guide. Unfortunately, I could not figure this one out. All it came down to is that I had to power them on first, but then they worked. I just turned the ambient on. And they worked awesome. I'm actually a huge fan of how these sound, how they fit, and their functions. I've never had anything like this or experienced anything like this. It's super interesting. Let's see if I can get the music to start playing again directly from, obviously, the earbuds. There it goes. Okay, pause. That worked perfectly. Let's see if I can get Siri to answer. There we go. Siri's working. That's great. Let's do a mic test. Testing 1 2 3. Testing the Palm Buds Pro. This is it. This is these are probably the most intuitive headphones. The most intuitive earbuds, let me correct myself, that I have ever used. I'm curious about the ambient noise. Also curious about what it sounds like dead silent. So, how's that, guys? So what they say is there are 6 microphones, 6 mic call quality. I'm curious to see how these stand out compared to all the other earbuds that are out on the market. Active noise canceling with ambient mode. I love it. That's the test. I'm going to give it a listen now. These are unbelievable. So I don't have to listen to the whole thing. You guys obviously just did. But what I will say is that it has probably the clearest like preamp non-noise that I've ever heard from headphones before, which is unbelievable. The case is tiny, obviously. We talked about that. It does pair quite nicely with a companion device like the Palm phone, or if this is your daily carry. This is a small everyday carry, and it's comfortable, cool, and I totally vibe with it. I love it. Thank you again, Palm, for sending these my way. I have way more to test with these, but I did want to get this video out there to let you guys know that upon first impressions, these are incredible. I hope this video helped you decide if the Palm Buds Pro are going to be a good fit for you and your lifestyle. Thanks for watching. Peace.